about you. You asked me if I didn't like you. You asked me to never hurt you. Baby, that's the last thing I do. Cause I never love anyone like I love you. I never treated anyone like I treat you. I always said that love wasn't true. But baby, that changed the moment I saw you. I felt like an extra night away. I was nervous and I didn't know what to say. Your beautiful hypnotized me, and something told me we were meant to be. I'm not afraid to do the things you asked, never done. Listen closely, I love you, my only one. I'm not afraid to tell the world that you're my girl. Best believe me, baby, love it till there ain't a world. My love for you is so open like space and time. It grows every second, knowing that you're always mine. I could feel the love without a word being said. Been through so much, can't erase the memories in my head. You ever wanna, baby, and a little more. It's a bonus loving you behind a closed door. You always down to get down, wanna want you to get down, but I promise you I'm never gonna let you down. The greatest thing that has ever happened to me. You make me so happy. You put me up inside. I just love having you by my side. Baby, you're my biggest accomplishment. You're my pride. Baby, this love is no lie, but something that we can hide or deny. I just love the fact that you love me and I love you. There's nothing that they can say or do to make me stop loving you. And I'm not afraid to say I love you. I'm not afraid to call you my boo. And I don't care what people say too. I'm never gonna stop loving you. And I'm not afraid to say I love you. I'm not afraid to call you my boo. And I don't care what people say too.